Welcome to the class. In our grammar, we had already learned simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Today we shall learn lesson 8. Perfect continuous tenses. Look at it on the blackboard. The form for present perfect continuous tense is has ya have plus been plus verb plus ing. For past perfect continuous tense, the form is had plus been plus verb plus ing. For future perfect continuous tense, the form is shall ya will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. This form you should learn by heart. Okay, now take your lesson. Lesson 8, page number 29. Read these sentences. She has been playing tennis since 1998. They had been looking for him for 3 hours before he came home. When you pass your SSC, you will have been studying English for 10 years. These sentences are in the perfect continuous tense. These 3 sentences are in perfect continuous tenses. In perfect continuous tense, first one is present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense has the form. We have already written has, ya have, plus been, plus verb, plus ing. In your book, have is not written. But you write has, ya have, plus been, plus verb, plus ing. That's the form. This tense is used to show an action that began in the past and it is continuing at present. This tense is used to show an action that began in the past and is continuing at present. He has been giving talks for the past 20 years. He started to do this work for 20 years. He has plus been plus verb plus ing. That's the form. Has been giving. Give plus ing giving. He has been giving talks for the past 20 years. It has been raining continuously for the past 24 hours. See the form. Has plus been plus raining. Rain is verb. Verb plus ing, raining. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense has the form had plus been plus verb plus ing. Look at here. Past perfect continuous tense. Had plus been plus verb plus ing. The past perfect tense has the form had plus been plus verb plus ing. In a sentence showing 2 past actions, the earlier action continuing when the later action took place. The earlier action is shown by the past perfect continuous tense. The later action is shown by the simple past tense. See the sentence. Example. The child had been crying from the morning before they took her out. Two past actions are here. First one, the child had been crying from the morning. Second action, they took her out. So, the child had been crying from the morning before they took her out. Second action is given in past tense. The first action is given in past perfect continuous tense. They cancelled the match as it had been raining throughout the night. Two actions are here in this sentence also. They cancelled the match as it had been raining throughout the night. It had been raining throughout the night. That is the first action. After that they cancelled. They cancelled the match. First action should be in past perfect continuous tense. Second action should be in past perfect tense. Second action should be in past tense. Only past tense. First action should be in past perfect tense and the second action should be in past tense. Now future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense has the form shall ya will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Shall ya will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. It is used to indicate an action that is expected to be completed by a certain time in the future. By 12 noon, I will have been driving for 6 hours. By 12 noon, I will have been driving for 6 hours. By midnight, he will have been typing continuously for 12 hours. In the next page, exercises are given. First, complete the following sentences using the correct tense forms of the verbs in brackets. First sentence, we dash, travel is in bracket, since 6 a.m. We dash, travel in bracket, since 6 a.m. We have been traveling. We have been traveling since 6 a.m. That will be the answer. We have been traveling since 6 a.m. Second question. The farmer work is in bracket from the morning. The farmer has been working from the morning. The farmer has been working from the morning. Next, third. She dashed unconscious for 2 hours before we dashed her to the hospital. Here, two actions are here. First, she had been lying unconscious for 2 hours before we shifted her to the hospital. See, the first action is the first sentence in this sentence, and the second action, second sentence. So first action should be in past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, and the second action should be in simple past tense. She had been lying unconscious for 2 hours before we shifted her to the hospital. Fourth question. By tomorrow morning, you dash on this train for 50 hours. Travel is given in bracket. By tomorrow, that is future tense. By tomorrow morning, you will have been traveling. You will have been traveling because that is future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. By tomorrow morning, you will have been traveling in this train for 50 hours. Okay, fifth question. He dash act, that is in bracket, in films for the last 25 years. He dash act in films for the last 25 years. He has been acting in films for the last 25 years. It means that now also he is acting. So that will be in present perfect continuous tense. By seeing the sentence, you should understand the time of the action. Present, yeah. Past, yeah. Future. Now students, 5 more sentences are there. 5 exercises we had already done. And 5 more sentences are there that you do yourself. Write with a pencil in your textbook. And come to the next class. So here tenses are over. Total we learned 12 tenses. Can you say which are the tenses we had learned? First one is simple present. Second, simple past. Third, simple future. And fourth, present continuous. Fifth, past continuous. Sixth, future continuous. And seventh, present perfect. Eighth, past perfect. And ninth, future perfect. And 10th, present perfect continuous tense. And 11th, past perfect continuous tense. And 12th, future perfect continuous tense. So tenses are over. Learn it well, learn it thoroughly. And learn how we use these tenses. Thank you.